monitoring total organic carbon through high-temperature combustion with the QuickTOCultra, designed and manufactured by LAR and available in the US and Canada through Liquid Analytical Resource, LLC. The element carbon forms millions of compounds, more by far than any other element. Most compounds, and all organic compounds, contain carbon, and the study of carbon is foundational to organic chemistry. Since all living things contain carbon, it's an important indicator of contaminants that can compromise water quality. Monitoring the total organic carbon, or TOC, quantifies organic constituents in municipal and industrial waters. This helps assure safe water supplies, improves processing, protects against product loss, and safeguards the environment from non-compliant discharge. So how is organic carbon measured? It can be measured through high-temperature combustion, or chemically, or a combination of these two methods. The high-temperature combustion method relies on very high temperatures to oxidize any carbon present in a water sample, converting it to CO2, which can then be measured with an NDIR CO2 gas detector. Variations of this method enable the measurement of TOC, COD, TOD, and nitrogen. Total carbon can be measured in only 1 minute, while TOC by difference can be measured in 3 minutes. Decades of refinement have resulted in the QuickTOCultra, an advanced TOC analyzer that measures TOC at 1200 degrees centigrade, higher than any other analyzer, resulting in a true TOC measurement that incorporates the volatile, particulate, and difficult to oxidize organics that can be lost with other measurement methods. Let's watch a single cycle of a working QuickTOCultra as it measures total carbon. The QuickTOCultra begins by pumping the sample into the sample vessel. The sample is pumped into an overflow vessel where a fresh sample is captured for analysis. The time required to pump the sample depends on the distance from the sample source. The XY arm positions a needle over the sample vessel. The needle is lowered into the sample vessel and a sample volume is drawn. The XY arm carries the sample to the furnace and the needle is lowered into the furnace valve. The sample is injected, the needle retracts, and the valve is closed. The XY arm positions the needle over the drain vessel. The needle is lowered and 1 ml of DI or distilled water is flushed through to clean the needle, which is now ready for the next analysis. The injected sample is carried through the furnace using a carrier gas of dry, CO2-free air. In the furnace, the sample is combusted at 1200 degrees centigrade, converting all carbons to carbon dioxide. The results are displayed on the graph as a CO2 peak, as measured by the NDIR detector. The blue area is the integrated area under the peak. That peak area is calculated against the calibration standard to provide the total carbon concentration. Many years of development have resulted in an analyzer that achieves high accuracy without catalysts or reagents. Maintenance requirements are low and uptime is high with 98% availability. The QuickTOCultra measures up to 6 streams sequentially and is the only TOC analyzer that is configurable to also measure total bonded nitrogen and COD alongside TOC. The design easily handles high solids and high salts, and housings are available for industrial environments, including Class 1 Div 2 and Zone 2 enclosures. Ease of use and security are assured through icon-driven menus with 3 user-configurable security levels. This is only one of many advanced water monitoring technologies available through Liquid Analytical Resource. For more information on this or any of our products and services, visit www.larllc.com or send email to marketing@larllc.com.